Hear me? Can you guys see me? Welcome to the show, everybody. Welcome. I have no idea if you can hear me or see me. Please let me know in the chat section down below. I'm about to finish getting set up. Sorry it's taken me so long. I am off my game today, but doesn't matter. We're still gonna have a great show. All right. Getting set up. How's everybody doing today? Where are you watching from? Yo, BJ, Distro, Jimmy, what is up? What is up? Glad to have you guys here. Let's talk about that Bitcoin dip, huh? It's happening right now. I kind of knew it was going to happen because if you guys remember yesterday's or Friday's video, Bitcoin hit 40K and the entire title of the video was Bitcoin hit 40K. When's it going to go down? Or correction soon or dip soon? Something along those lines. And I totally called it. So let's look at some Bitcoin. Boom, boom, boom. And let's make that bigger, take it out to the daily chart. All right, so. Delete, please. Thank you. So if you guys think about this last bull run that we had up from 10,000 all the way up to 40,000, so you had 400% gains. And now people are cashing out after those 400% gains, and we are correcting now down to the 236 level, which is about 3,400. It came all the way down to 32,195 or something like that, approximately. And I believe this downtrend will continue all the way down to 29,649 because parabolic growth equals a 382 retracement. If it continues down past that point and there is a selling frenzy, it will go down to the 0.5 or the 0.6 level, which is $22,000 to $25,000. Sorry, chat is going a little bit wild right now, so let's see what you guys are saying. Bitcoin had a 20% correction 4.5 hours ago. Yes. Would you still buy ETH or to hold or Bitcoin to hold? Ethereum. Edmond, Alberta. Yo, Kevin, what up? Alberta, Canada. Dude, Canadian beer and maple syrup. Yes, please. Okay. So, 4:30 a.m. here. If you guys are having trouble with CoinCasso, just contact support and they'll email you back. Cool. So let's really logically think about this correction right now. This is absolutely tiny from where it was to where it went. It was 22.13%. And that is a very, very small correction in terms of what Bitcoin corrections usually look like. If you look historically, like we had this huge correction here, and that went down 65%. We had another correction here, and that went down 22%. That was small. Another correction here, that went down 30%. So, I mean, even if you look at the $10,000 area or the $12,000 area, this corrected down 20%. So it's hard to say because we had that parabolic spike here and then a few corrections and then it dumped, right? But this was like a consolidation phase. Now we're having this type of freaking growth, which is still crazy to me. But, yeah, it's not looking too healthy. I would assume that it would go down to the 382 level, which would be a total of a 28% correction. So if you don't get into a long position right now, It's super volatile. Just don't do it. If you are looking for a buy position, look at this line. Look at the 382, the 50, or the 618. And that's where I'm going to leave that. Ethereum also dumping down currently at a 25.8% decline. And it actually did retrace on like near the 618 level. Like if we adjust that, 618 retracement. So Ethereum is going to start climbing up now, but Bitcoin may actually, this might actually double tap. So like, you know, let me just show you on a smaller time frame. Okay, it already double tapped. So it tapped, and now we're playing between these two Fibonacci levels, and it should continue up from here. I kind of saw this coming because one of the major exchanges, I'm not going to name names, but their color scheme is black and yellow. They sent me an email on Friday evening saying that their services were going to be down on Sunday for 7 hours. And so usually when an exchange has their services down, that's when there's a lot of price fluctuations. And if you look at dips and corrections and crashes historically, like they're usually happening near and around Sunday. So, yeah. If you, I mean, it's hard to tell. Like, I would like to see a solid correction. Like, if you guys want to be risky, like this 618 level was a good area to get in, but I would wait maybe for another dip down on it. If you guys want to go long-term and not worry about the exact, like, perfect entry and exit points, you wait for the sucker to start coming back up. Because if you look at a short trend, meaning shorting Ethereum, and you take it down here, if it corrects up to this $1,213 level and then continues back down, we will continue a downtrend. But if it breaks through that and continues up, that's going to be your opportunity to get in a long position. And I know it's like not the greatest price to get in at 1,290, but then you're kind of set for take profit 3, which is near 1,700. So if you're leverage trading, that's, you know, definitely buy or sell on Fibonacci retracement levels. Like exactly, like type in limit orders. Okay. Yeah, if you guys, this channel is not for like technical support. So if you guys have technical support issues, please email support01@coincasso.com. If you have a token you'd like me to look at, please leave that in the chat section. Yeah, the 21 EMA is like, especially when you take it out to the daily and you look at 21 EMA, let's turn off the rest of these. What is that? 21 is my second. So if we remove all drawings, the 21 EMA is something that is a very good indicator of where the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum sit at. So as you can see, like the price is very closely hugging it. When it gets too far away, it comes down to test it. We are still not there yet. We did come close, but I believe it will still come down. So we're looking at 964 on Ethereum, and on Bitcoin, it literally almost touched it. So I think Bitcoin may be done with its correction, or it may dip down once more just below that, like I said, to the 382 level, but that was very, very small. That was 241. That was like $100 away from the 21 moving average. Yeah, Eugene, like being able to be in a position to short any crypto right now is wonderful, because as opposed to a long climb up, you know, like this same 21% down, like if you look at 21% up, you know, you're looking at double the amount of time versus when it starts dropping fast. So you can make money really, really fast on a short if you know when and where it's going to happen. Let's take a look at the top gainers in the last 24 hours on CoinMarketCap. If this would ever... Sorry, internet is slow today. My apologies. Chainlink, Theta, CRO. Okay. So Bitcoin down 13%, Ethereum down 16%, XRP down 13%, Litecoin down 17%. Yeah, it's kind of brutal out there today, guys. Not gonna lie, but people are making money off the short, that's for sure. Top gainers in the last 24. You gonna upload? Wow, everybody must be on CoinMarketCap right now because the website's moving slow. Horizon 72%, Zcash 26%, Neo 7%, and then it kind of trickles down from there. These are huge numbers considering what everything else is doing. That's crazy. Good job, Horizon. I just sold all my stocks today, about 1,100 worth, not too much. I want to put it all in one. I also liquidated a majority of my stock holdings. Like, I made a lot of money off of Tesla, which was nice. And I had a few others that were more index funds. But yeah, I'm moving most of my money into crypto because there's way more percentage to be gained in crypto than there is in the traditional markets. So, Monero. Monero is at $162, up 21%. Monero... I don't feel as badly about Monero as I do with XRP, but there's a lot of regulatory hands that are basically holding Monero back. I understand the benefits of it, but still I feel like there's way too much conflict for me to feel like it's a good, solid buy right now. Like, that stuff needs to go away for me to actually promote purchasing Monero. Yeah, if you had any money in Tesla in the last year, like, you're a happy freaking camper. Let's look at Chainlink, huh? $14.50. Also having this weird up and down correction stuff. Still playing along that 21 moving average. So I think we actually will continue up from this point. I think this was just a small correction, guys. The more I'm looking at it, the more I'm realizing, like, Bitcoin's already 34 versus it was at 32. Ethereum was at 1,000 and now it's at 1,100. So just be aware that a 382 or the 21 EMA is going to be the retracement level. And that's that. Like, it's super easy, not overcomplicated. I don't think that Bitcoin's going to be dropping to 10K. There's no fucking way in hell whatsoever. Yeah, like, I agree. Monero has its benefits for sure, but there are some discrepancies which kind of make me hesitant about it. But I like Monero overall. Yeah, let's see what's going on in the news, huh? Some dude, hold on, I read this earlier. Dude, it was such a great article. I checked it this morning. I don't see it. Crypto users recovers long lost private key to access $4 million in Bitcoin. So basically this guy, recovered his lost key, and sold most of his Bitcoin and made $4 million, which is awesome because there's so many people that have, like, they had, a bunch of Bitcoin on a thumb drive that they gave away, like in that episode of Big Bang Theory. And then there was this one dude in the UK. He had thrown away his laptop. It was an IT worker accidentally threw away his personal laptop with keys from 2013 that had $285 million worth of Bitcoin in it. And it's like, oh, you dumbass. Dude, I would recommend putting your 1K into Ethereum. If you like, if that's just like play money and you're, willing to invest, like you don't have to live off of it, just dump it in Ethereum and thank me in 6 months. You'll just get more percentage gains than Bitcoin. Because if Bitcoin goes up to, I don't know, like, look, ready? So if Bitcoin goes up to 50,000, right? Goes up to 50K, you're looking at a 42% increase. But Ethereum still has not hit its all-time high, which is at 1,400. And so if it does what Bitcoin did and doubles, that's 2,800. And so if it goes up from there to what Bitcoin is at now, you're looking at a 154% gain. Like, no brainer. What else? Okay, so news. Bitcoin whales are profiting as we can sell Bitcoin through the 40K bull run. State-owned Chinese bank rolls out ATMs for digital yuan. That's interesting. China's moving really, really fast. They're going to be the first ones that have like a full-fledged digital currency for their fiat currency. Like they've been forefronting it ever since the beginning. Everyone's just playing catch up with them. Bitcoin eyes 30% correction. Things to watch in Bitcoin this week. Oh, it's Monday. Hold on. There's 5 cryptocurrencies to watch this week. I love this article. Okay, so they are BTC, Cardano, EOS, Theta, and ETH. Let's see. Bitcoin has been a strong uptrend in the last few weeks, pushed the rally past the relative strength index into overbought territory while markets remain calm, blah, blah, blah. Short correction. Cool. That makes sense. Cardano is currently consolidating an uptrend. The altcoin has struck between 26 and 35 for the past few days and then pulled down. Bulls are currently facing stiff resistance. That's good. So it's on an uptrend. EOS has been trading inside a large range between $2.20 and $3.94. The altcoin turned down sharply from the overhead resistance today, which shows aggressive selling by the bears. So short. Theta is currently consolidating an uptrend in the last few days. The price has been making lower highs, which suggests the attempt to rally may be met with the selling from the bears. So this could be a short. And EV is currently in an uptrend and continues to make higher and higher lows. However, the long wicks from today's candle shows that the bears are aggressively selling. Yeah, so long wicks on the upside, bears. Long wicks on the bottom side, bulls. So that's cool. Go to Cointelegraph and check out this article. What a dumb name. I know. Seriously, I don't even know how to pronounce it. Oh, Av means a ghost in Finnish. So I have to open up Google Translate, do that word in Finnish, and then click the button so it'll tell me how to say it phonetically. Great way to name your coin. All right. Cool news. We released an alpha version of the CoinsLoot project on our Telegram group exclusively. Got some feedback from users. And we have some new upgrades. So, this is the CoinsLoot platform. If you go to dev.coinsloot.com, it's also, I believe, in the description. If not, join our Telegram group and there's a link there. But we have a light version and a dark version. So really nice on the eyes. And then the numbers and everything and the spin mechanism is improved. So if you click on DeFi box, here's all the DeFi tokens. And on the right-hand side, there's going to be all the things all the cards that are in here. So you just spin, you can test this out and it gives it a little wind up and then a nice fat spin. And so the numbers are updated. Hopefully this lands on something substantial. So for a 5 USDT spin, Land on 20,000. No. You know, and then you spin again. I wonder, like, I just want to like play this game so I can win the Tesla. I think that's the thing that I'm most excited about. Airdrop for the CoinsLoot program is still going on. Check the link in the description, and then join our Telegram group. It's on there. So, like, get a nice spin in there. Woo! Got some serum. Awesome. So if you guys want to check it out, use it. Let me know what you think. Leave it in the Telegram group, and we take all suggestions and comments and everything, and then we make improvements. So you can see that we're user-based. Dude, if Ethereum hits 20K, I'm going to be the really, really, really happy dude because I have a lot of Ethereum. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you guys want to buy the loot tokens for the CoinsLoot platform, you just go to CoinsLoot.com, and we have 2 links on there. Right now, if you buy through the IEO on CoinCasso, which is going to be this first button right here, right there, buy via IEO, it'll take you to the CoinCasso exchange, and you just click this blue buy tokens button. And if you buy 444 loot or more, which is the equivalent of about $40, you get a 25% bonus. So it's cool because you invest $40 into a new upcoming cryptocurrency, and then you get $50 worth of that cryptocurrency, and you get to be a part of the project. So just type in 444 right there, hit agree, and $40 is a great small investment for an altcoin. So, and it's altcoin season. So if you guys got $40, definitely go do that. Yeah, let's do XMR. XMR USDT. Okay, looking at the daily chart, that is a fat rejection. I mean, okay, ready? Check this out. March 12th bottom, right? And we've been kind of climbing on the 21-day moving average. So just keep this up, right? I mean, this is a nice, solid, consistent uptrend. This rejection was just because it was way overextended. As you can see, Monero likes to stick really, really tight to the 21. So just now is a good time to get in as it's like right there on the 21, and just hold that sucker for, what is that, until June? Just an estimation. We can check this video when we get to June, but we're looking at a 62% increase from now till June if it maintains this same trajectory that it's been on. Seriously, Eugene, just buy and hold for life. That's the way to do it. Not much more than that. So thank you guys for joining me. I appreciate your time, all 36 of you. And all right, we'll do one more. Van, I don't know how to pronounce your last name. Let's do Dapp. Yeah, same time every day. Whoa, huge rejection on Dapp. Again, that 21-day moving average. I think this actually might continue down a little bit more, so I would not get into this whatsoever. I mean, like, look, if you just look at Fibonacci levels, top to bottom, like we just hit the 618 retracement, but there's way too much momentum on that one candle, so it might double tap or consolidate for a little bit before it starts climbing up. But if you do, like, look for the 762 retracement or a double tap on the 618, but then your take profit 3 level is going to be $13. So good, almost 100% on that return. That would be nice. Okay, cool. I'm out, guys. love you. Thank you for joining me today. Come back tomorrow. Every single day we do crypto lunch at 12:30 Central European time. So thanks for joining me. Make sure you like the video on your way out. Share it because it's going to be a replay. Get more viewers on here because it makes me feel special. Okay? Love you. Bye.